In this lecture, we will continue the concept of work, energy and power. It is related with every topic in physics. Mechanics is classified into two parts, statics and dynamics. Statics and dynamics, when a body at rest or equilibrium, that is nothing but static. When a body in motion, that is considered dynamics. The cause of motion, that is gives work, energy, power. Work, energy, power, these are the cause of motion. Once the body comes in motion, the velocity, displacement, acceleration with the time, that is kinematics. Kinematics is a subpart of dynamics. But dynamics, it is cause of motion. A work, energy and power, these quantities are cause of motion. And these quantities are called dynamics. So dynamics. So first of all, work. What is work? How to measure this work? So work is measured. So this is in three methods. One is vector method, means vector multiplication. Vector multiplication, that is nothing but dot product. Dot product method to calculate, this is vector method, we find out the work. And another, so this is integration method. Integration method to find out the work. Another one is graphical method. These are the three different ways to measure the work. So this is, work is, we considered, work is done on the body or by the body due to two conditions. Force, work done due to constant force. Work done due to constant force. And second one is work done due to variable force. Due to variable force. So work. So what is work? When a body displaced from one place to another place due to external force, then the work is done on the body or the work is done by the body. So work done is right as when external force is acting on the body comes displacement, body having some displacement, then work done by the body or work done on the body. So this is work. So a work done due to constant force, work done due to variable force. These are the two different conditions we measure the work. The work is measuring using these methods. That means measurable methods are, one is vector form. Vector method used to measure the work. Integration method, another graphical method. So this is the work condition. A work is either positive, negative and negative and zero. These are the three values are possible. Positive, negative and zero. So work is sometimes positive, sometimes negative. That means depends upon the condition. Work is positive, negative and zero. Again, this work is scalar quantity, no specific direction. It is a scalar. Work is a scalar quantity and work is measured using the units of joule. SI unit is joule it is, and CGS unit is erg it is. 1 joule is write as 1 joule is nothing but 10 power 7 erg. Joule is nothing but 10 power 7 erg it is. Again, work is measured using electron volt. 1 electron volt. Electron unit is coulomb. Coulomb into volt, that is nothing but joule. It is write as 1.6 into 10 power minus 19. 10 power minus 19 joule it is. And suppose to measure kilowatt hour. This is also unit of work. 1 kilowatt hour is 3.6 into 10 power 6 joule it is. 1 kilowatt hour is 3.6 into 10 power 6 joule. Other unit is calorie. Calorie also unit of work, but originally calorie is a unit of energy, but work and energy to consider the same quantities, then 1 calorie write as 4.2 joule. 4.2 joule. It is nothing but 4.2 into 10 power 7 erg it is. 4.2 into 10 power 7 erg. So this is just we using that work and energy and power में basic quantity work. Work due to constant force. The basic condition is work due to constant force. Work done due to constant force. So work done due to constant force. What is the work done? Suppose this is one body of mass m, when the external force is acting on this body, external force is F, then the body is displaced from here to, body display from here to, this is the position. The displacement of the body is S. S is the displacement of the body. S is displacement. But the F value along displacement direction, the F value along the displacement direction, that is F cos theta. F value along displacement direction, because this angle we consider theta. Then F value along S direction, that means this is vector component. Vector component resolution of vector, this is the concept. This is F, this angle is theta. Then we considered here one right angle triangle. This is X, where cos theta is write as existence upon hypotenuse. This is F. Existence upon X upon F, where F cos theta, that is write as X. Then X is force along X direction. Force along X direction, this direction the force becomes F cos theta. And displacement also same direction. The work done on the body, the work done is write as force into displacement, F cos theta into S it is. F cos theta into S, this is work, where work equals to Fs cos theta. But F is force, S is displacement, and theta is angle between force and displacement. If here write in the form of vector, work is a scalar, force is vector and displacement is vector. This is the dot product of force and displacement, that is nothing but work. The definition of work is given that dot product of force and displacement, dot product of force and displacement, this is nothing but work it is. So force and displacement, that is nothing but work. So work done, W equals to F bar dot S bar. So this is work. Suppose if the displacement and force are mutually perpendicular. So case 1, displacement and force mutually perpendicular, are mutually perpendicular, what happened? So theta becomes 0, 90. If theta becomes 90, theta 90. So what is the condition? एक मिनट just hold on now. If theta equals to cos case 1, if theta becomes 0, then cos 0, its value becomes 1, then work done equals to Fs into 1. The work is maximum and it is positive. Work is maximum and positive. Work is maximum and positive. If case 2, if theta becomes 90 degree and cos 90 its value becomes 0, then work done is equals to F into S into 0. Work done becomes 0. This is 0 work. Example, any body revolve in a circular path. Centripetal force toward the center, displacement is along. Here theta becomes 90 degree. Body revolve in a circular path. How much work is done? Work done becomes 0. Work done becomes 0 when a body revolve in a circular path. And another one we using that. So case 3, if theta becomes 180 degree. If theta becomes 180 degree, cos 180, its value becomes minus 1. Then work done equals to F into S into minus 1 it is. So work done, write as minus Fs. Work done negative, positive and 0. That means this condition, force is acting, this is the direction. Displacement is opposite direction, both directions are opposite. This condition, work becomes, theta is 180 degree, work becomes negative. So work maximum Fs, work 0 and work negative. This is maximum, it is W equals to Fs, that is positive, work is positive here. Work is positive, here work becomes 0. Here work becomes negative it is. So 3 conditions are possible, work positive, negative and 0. Work done due to constant force, that is, using that, one force is given, F bar. This is force given in the form of vector, F x I cap, F y j cap plus F z k cap. So this is the force in vector form. Again, displacement given in vector form, x I cap, y j cap plus z k cap. So this is the vector form. I cap, j cap, k cap are the unit vectors. This is along x direction unit vector, y direction unit vector, z direction unit vector. What is the work done? Dot product. W is write as F bar dot S bar. Work is write as F bar dot S bar. Then dot product Fx into x, I dot I, that value becomes 1, plus Fy into y, j dot j, that value becomes 1, plus Fz into z, k dot k, its value becomes 1. Then work done here, Fx into x plus Fy into y plus Fz into z. So work is, this is dot product of force and displacement indicates work done it is. So W equals to Fx into x, Fy into y, Fz into z. This is work due to constant force. Dot product of force and displacement, that is indicates work done. This is work done due to constant force it is. Again, if the condition is given, so very simple problem is given. So force is given, this is one block where the force is given, force is given 20 Newton and displacement is given, the block is moving. So the displacement is given, this is S is equals to 10 meter. Theta becomes 60 degree. Then how much work is done? Find work. We want work here. So simple question, it is write as work done equals to Fs cos theta. F value given 20 into S value 10 cos 60 1 by 2, its value becomes 100 joule. The work done is very simple. This is work done equals to Fs cos theta. And then suppose the condition, another one problem is given that a person carrying some load walking horizontally. Person carrying some load moving horizontally. Displacement is along x direction. And force is along y direction. Force is applying some load in upward direction. This condition theta becomes 90 degree. How much work is done here? Here the work done equals to, it is write as Fs cos 90. This value becomes, work becomes cos 90 becomes 0. Work done becomes 0. The person, person is carrying some load and moving horizontal, work done becomes 0. In a given problem, a block of mass m lowered with the help of rope. So this is one block is lowered with a rope. Initially this is the block, but using this rope, slowly it is dropped. Slowly dropped, then it is moving downward due to weight. Upward some external pulling is there. So this is external pulling. Using this force, this block is moving slowly. Without this force, the block falls with an acceleration due to gravity. So here, upward some pulling force is there, that is F, and weight acting on downward. Here the acceleration of the block is g upon 3 downward direction. That means the weight is bigger, upward force is smaller. The block moving downward means here mg minus f, that is equals to ma. mg minus f equals to ma. Due to this block is moving less some amount of acceleration a. Without this force, block is fall directly with an acceleration is equals to g. But with this force, the block moving slowly, then mg minus f equals to ma, where mg minus ma, a write as g by 3. This is equals to f, where mg minus mg by 3, this is 2 mg upon 3, this is f. The force on the block, this force acting upward direction. Force acting upward direction. The condition is work done by rope on the block. We want work done by rope. That means this is the block. Here upward direction the force is F and weight acting on downward. F and mg opposite direction. That means the angle between these two forces, is theta equals to 180. So the block is moving downward, that means displacement also along the weight. Force and displacement both in opposite direction. Here work done becomes, work done equals to F and S, Fs cos 180. Fs cos 180, F write as 2 mg upon 3 into displacement is given that is distance is d into cos 180 minus 1. This is work done, where work done equals to minus 2 mgd upon 3. This is the work done value. So work done equals to minus 2 mgd upon 3. This is the work done. So in given problem, work done in time t on a body of mass m which is accelerated from rest to a speed of v in time t1. as a function of time t is given by. First you calculate acceleration. You know that acceleration is write as v minus u upon t, rate of change in velocity. So it is write as final velocity v, initial 0 and time t1, where a equals to v upon t1, acceleration velocity by time. And next here work done we want, work done equals to force into displacement. This is equals to mass acceleration, mass into acceleration into displacement. When a body in a horizontal motion, displacement, velocity, acceleration, same direction, because it is accelerated, speed increases from rest to v. That means accelerated motion, same direction. Then Fs theta becomes 0 and cos 0, that is 1. Then it is write as W equals to Fs ma into S it is. Acceleration value we know. But we want the displacement in time t. So t seconds, what is the displacement? Displacement S is equals to ut plus of a into t square. It is write as S is equals to initial velocity 0, starts from rest, and of a acceleration is write as v upon t1. Enter the motion in t seconds. Enter the motion in t seconds. Motion in t seconds means displacement in t seconds. Then S is equals to of v upon t1 into t square. The value is put here, work done equals to m into acceleration v upon t1 into of v upon t1 into t square. Its value becomes mv square into t square upon 2t1 square. This is the total work done value becomes work done equals to mv square t square upon 2t1 square. 2t1 square is the work done. This question is given a chain of length L, mass M. 1/nth part is outside. 1/nth part is outside the table. The amount of work required, chain placed on the table. Condition क्या है? Very simple. यहाँ पे L by nth part बाहर है. ये चेन वापस आगे टेबल के ऊपर लगाने के लिए कितना वर्क चाहिए? टेबल के ऊपर ये लगाने के लिए work. Work done equals to here. What is the part of the chain? Its mass. So how much mass of chain outside? Mass of chain outside. It is write as small m. It is small m. It is. Total L length having mass is m. 1 unit having mass m upon L. And small L upon nth part, L upon nth part, this mass is. So it is write as L length mass m, 1 unit length of mass m upon L. L by nth part, this mass is m upon L into L by n. This is write as small m, where small m equals to m upon L. The weight, here the weight is acting at the middle position. यहाँ पर weight यहाँ से act होता है. ये weight is mg. Weight is mg. It is small mg is the weight. It is nothing but this is the force. So mg is acting downward. This is mg is acting downward. And this chain is placed on the table. Chain table के ऊपर लगाने के लिए यहाँ पर displacement. What is the displacement? Displacement is the total length is L by n, but just the weight acting it in at the middle. Then the displacement of this chain. Displacement means just this part to this part. So this is one stick is there. This is one stick. This stick is weight acting at the center. This stick is placed certain height. So stick is placed at certain height. Yeah, in this case, displacement हम check किया तो ये midpoint to this midpoint. This is the displacement. This is just it is displaced. That means displacement from middle to middle. Here also displacement. This part is shifted here. ये पूरा ऊपर लगा रही है. ऊपर लगा रही है मतलब यहाँ पर displacement we considered only. This is the displacement. Displacement we considered only. This is shifted to here means displacement we considered S. Suppose otherwise. Suppose here. Suppose this is the one rod. Rod is placed here. What is the displacement? Displacement we considered. Vertical displacement becomes this rod is placed here. The vertical displacement becomes only this center position to this top position. Center position to this position. So that is displacement. Where displacement is write as L upon 2N. This is the displacement. And gravity acting, acceleration A equals to G. Then here work done equals to W equals to F into S, and work done equals to MA into S. Then M write as capital M upon N, and acceleration is Z, and displacement L upon 2N. Then work done equals to mg L upon 2n square. This is the work done value. Mg L upon 2n square is work done. Suppose here n half of the part is outside. Example, half of the part is outside. N equals to 2. Half of the part is outside. N equals to 2. If n equals to 2, then work done equals to mg L upon 2 into 2 square. Its value mg L upon 8 it is. Mg L upon 8. So if n equals to 1/4 of part is outside, 1/4, that means L by 4, n becomes 4. This condition what happened? This condition work done equals to mg L upon 2 into 4 square it is. 2 into n square. So it is write as mg L upon 32. This is the work done equals to mg L upon 32. So n equals to 4, n equals to 2. So the main concept is how much work is done here. Mg L upon 2n square. This is the work done value. Next lecture, continue the concept of work due to variable force. Work due to variable force, that is important concept. And so if you like these videos, please share and subscribe and like. Okay, thank you.